Every successful person follows a clear roadmap. A clear plan turns a dream into achievable success. In this video, I am going to share a simple 6-step success roadmap that takes you from setting a goal to achieving it. Each step builds on the previous one, so by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do from day 1 until the day you achieve your goal. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Set a clear goal. Every success begins with a clear goal because you cannot reach a destination you haven't chosen. When you know exactly what you want, every decision becomes easier and every action has a purpose. A clear goal helps you stay focused and avoid distractions that waste your time and energy. It also gives you a clear path so you can create a step-by-step plan and track your progress. Without a clear goal, hard work has no direction. With a clear goal, every step takes you closer to success. Step 2. Set a fixed deadline. Once your goal is clear, the next step is to set a fixed deadline. A clear goal tells you what you want to achieve, and a deadline tells you when you want to achieve it. A goal without a deadline is just a wish, because there is no urgency to act. A fixed deadline gives you a clear finish line and creates a sense of responsibility. A deadline also helps you measure your progress and stay on track every day. When your goal has a fixed deadline, you stop waiting for the perfect time and start taking action today. Step 3. Reverse engineer the goal. Now that you have a clear goal and a fixed deadline, the next step is to reverse engineer your goal. Reverse engineering means starting with your final result and working backward until you reach today. For example, imagine your goal is to build a YouTube channel with 1 lakh subscribers in 6 months. On the last day, you need 1 lakh subscribers. Before that, you need millions of views. Before getting millions of views, you need videos that people love to watch. Before making great videos, you need strong skills in scripting, editing, thumbnails, and storytelling. Before learning those skills, you need a clear learning plan. Now your path is clear. Instead of working randomly, you know exactly what you need to build first. Reverse engineering removes confusion because every step leads to the next step and every action moves you closer to your final goal. Step 4. Create monthly milestones. Now that you know the complete path to your goal, the next step is to divide it into monthly milestones. A big goal can feel overwhelming, but breaking it into smaller monthly targets makes it easier to achieve. Every month should have one clear milestone that brings you closer to your final goal. For example, if your goal is 1 lakh YouTube subscribers in 6 months, your milestones might be: first month, learn the skills and publish your first videos. Second month, improve video quality. Third month, increase views. Fourth month, build a loyal audience. Fifth month, grow consistently. Sixth month, reach your target. Monthly milestones help you stay focused, measure your progress, and make sure you are moving in the right direction every month instead of waiting until the last day. Step 5. Break monthly targets into daily actions. Now that you have your monthly targets, the next step is to break them down into daily actions. A monthly target shows you what you need to achieve, but daily actions tell you exactly what to do today. For example, if your monthly target is to publish 4 YouTube videos, your daily actions might include writing the script, recording, editing, designing the thumbnail, and publishing 1 video each week. When you focus on completing today's tasks, your daily actions becomes weekly progress. Your weekly progress becomes monthly success, and your monthly success leads to your final goal. Never worry about 6 months at once. Focus on today's work and let each day move you one step closer to your dream. Step 6. Execute the plan. Now that you know exactly what to do every day, the next step is to execute your plan. You have a clear goal, a fixed deadline, a proven roadmap, monthly milestones, and daily actions. Now your success depends on one thing: consistent execution. Take action every day, complete your daily tasks, and don't let excuses break your momentum. There will be challenges and setbacks, but keep following the plan and make small improvements whenever needed. Success doesn't come from having the best plan. It comes from executing the plan consistently until you reach your goal. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.